Welcome to JH. To insert an image into a shape using Canva, begin by clicking Create a Design and selecting the YouTube thumbnail layout. You have two primary options. You can upload your own photography or utilize elements provided by Canva. For instance, I will search for cat photos and pick this specific image. You can adjust it as needed, but the main objective here is framing. Exit the current menu and scroll down until you find the Frames or Grids category. Click See All to explore the wide variety of available frames. I am going to select this diamond-shaped one. Now just drag your image and drop it into the frame to lock it in place. This process works for various shapes, including letters. Simply go back, choose another photo, and slide it into the desired frame. Canva makes managing your images extremely easy. If you found this guide helpful, please click the like button. Thanks for watching and see you next time.